Going on the Z3 today. This is from Whiteline Racing. This is Whiteline Racing's KSB 536, meant for the E36 era 328, I believe. And it looks like it's going to fit on the Z3. The only modification I see that I'm going to have to do is right here on the passenger side where this body ground is. We'll have to trim a little bit about this mounting bracket. Other than that, just pretty much adjusted the ends all the way in, and it's looks like it's gonna fit just fine. So we'll get that cut out, and then we'll remove these shock tower mounting nuts, mount it, and retighten. And then what we'll do is we'll take my camera, my snake camera. I'll set it up in here and close the hood on it, and we'll see what kind of clearance we have to the hood. I'm guessing it's going to hit, but this also does sag down quite a bit. You can see some impressions from the valve cover top, and then this looks like it's the oil cap. But like I said, it's got some play in it, so we'll see if it just presses up against that and go from there. All right, got my notch cut out. Just gonna remove these nuts from the shock tower. They're 13 millimeter. Make sure you've got weight on the wheels with this. Otherwise, if you have it suspended and jacked up on jack stands and the front wheel is floating, your shock tower will pull out of the your strut assembly will pull out of the shock tower. Trying to get some even spacing around the bolts so it's centered. It's one too much. Everything's sitting flat. It needs to get tightened down to 22 newton meters. Stitch down the locking nut. All right, everything looks centered as best it can. Now we'll get that camera in here and close the hood.